What's up, everybody? Sorry for the bad camera angle. I don't have my tripod with me today, but I got this is a Brinks R70 disc padlock. I'll pick for you today on SPP it. Try to keep my hand down here where y'all can see it. I got it in false set. There's one picked. Start all over here. And as you can see, it's turned. There we go. And there it is picked. I think there's probably 2 securities in there. And I forgot to mention I don't have the key for it. My friend Will gave it to me from school. But I figured I'd make a video on it. And thanks for watching.